Hello, welcome back to the channel. Just a short video. They've actually got e-scooters back here in Lanzarote that you can rent. You rent them using the app. The app is called Hoppy. You have to link a payment card to it and then not charge you for your ride. They are a bit more expensive than the previous scooters that were here, the link scooters. I'm going to take a ride on one in a minute, and then I can grab some screenshots to show you how much it costs. I think they charge like a base fee, and then you're charged per minute for use, not distance. The app is quite handy. It tells you where the parking zones are and how many scooters are in that area, and also their battery. So I'm heading up here now. I just found 2 scooters in the parking zone up behind there, so let me go see if there's 2 scooters there. So the app is telling me that there's a couple of scooters parked just up here, so let's go and have a look. Yep, I can see a couple of scooters over there, so I'm going to get a scooter, go on a short ride. Don't know how I'm going to hold my camera while riding it, but I'll figure something out. I haven't brought a mount with me, and then I can show you the price as well. They are quite speedy, these scooters as well. I think I clocked one the other day, it was going about 25 kph, so be careful on them. Well, the app is saying 3 scooters, and there is 3 scooters here. So right, scan to unlock. So there's the pricing. It's €120 base fee, and then 37 cents per minute. I forgot to hit the button, start my ride. Don't forget to do that. Hit start my ride. Okay. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. And right, with these scooters you have to push off and then hit the little accelerator button. Just going to do what, a 4 or 5 minute ride here, and then I can show you how much it has cost me. So I'll just get onto the cycle path and we'll fly down here. So, believe it or not, I'm actually hitting 26 kph. Yep, handy way of getting around, but you do need to be careful. People will just tend to stroll into the cycle lane. So you've got to remember also, you've got to park them in a parking zone, hit end ride on the app, and then take a picture as well of the scooter. I'll grab some screenshots of that once I go and park up down here. It's going to go on. I know there's a parking zone by the Hotel Sol Lanzarote, so I'm going to just park by there. Yeah, going up a slight hill now, and I'm at 24 kph, so they're pretty nippy, to be honest. And I know there's a parking zone over here on the left, so I'm just going to park up there. And I found the parking zone, so I'm just going to wheel it down here and end the ride. So I've parked it here in the parking zone. Just go with my phone, end my ride. Okie dokie. Just taking some screenshots here to put on the video, end my ride. Take a photo, submit. I've ended the ride. It's cost me €4.16. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Are they worth it? Are they safe? So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.